Okay, so here's the thing about Longines. They've got this incredible heritage, right? I mean, it's just a huge part of who they are. But what I really love is how they've managed to honor all that history while still keeping things fresh. A perfect example? The Legend Diver. This watch has been around for 65 years, and now they've brought it back again with these gorgeous new dial colors. If you've got any questions or you're just curious, honestly, feel free to drop them in the comments. Your question might be, do I own all these watches personally? The answer is yes. Or if you're like me and you want to see things in person, come by one of our boutiques. Seriously, we'd love to show it to you. Doesn't matter if you're a hardcore watch collector, just window shopping, or maybe even new to all this. Everyone's welcome at Les Ambassadeurs, and we're always here to help. So, come along. We've got boutiques in Geneva, right by Lake Geneva, so you can make a whole day of it. Zurich on Bahnhofstrasse, which, let's be real, is the place to be. And Lucerne, near Chapel Bridge. So, wherever you are, come say hi. And of course, if you're just browsing online for now, you can always check out our web shop. But let's talk more about this dive watch. It's a real stunner, and I'm excited to dive into the details with you. Alright, so a little history lesson, bear with me. Back in 1959, Longines launched the Legend Diver, and it was a big deal. This was their very first underwater watch, designed specifically for diving. The original was 42mm, with this now iconic super compressor case, which had an internal rotating bezel and two screw-down crowns. Fast forward to 2023, and Longines decided to bring it back, with some modern updates of course. They made it a little smaller, 39mm, added a new movement and made it automatic. And now, here we are again. This year, they've refreshed the whole watch with new dial colors and a sleek stainless steel bracelet. It's like they're breathing new life into an old classic. I love it. Okay, let's talk about the dial because honestly, this is what makes the Legend Diver pop. Last year, they gave us the blue and black versions, which were great. But this year, they've gone all out with polished lacquered dials in green, terracotta, and anthracite gray, and they're absolutely stunning. They've kept all the signature features too, extended indices, raised Arabic numerals, and everything's coated with superluminova. So if you're in the dark, no worries, this watch glows, and you know at what time you are in the dark in. And I don't care how old you are, if you have a watch that is coated with superluminova, one of the things you do is turn off the light and look at it, just for the pleasure, like when you were a kid. Anyway, back to what we were saying. The hands are these beautifully polished rhodium-plated arrows, and even the second hand has a little luminescent tip. It's those small details that really make it special. And then there's the internal bezel, very handy for tracking dive time, but what I love is how it's protected inside the case, so you won't accidentally mess with it. Because messing with it, I think you would agree with me, is a very bad idea, especially if you are underwater. You've also got the screw-down crown at 2 o'clock that controls the bezel, and it's marked with this little glowing triangle. Honestly, it's just so well thought out. It's beautiful. Now, if you're into the technical side of things, the movement here is top-notch. Inside, you've got the L888.6 automatic caliber. It ticks away at 25,200 vibrations per hour, and you've got a solid 72-hour power reserve. So if you don't wear it for a few days, it's still running when you pick it up again. It's also COSC certified, meaning it's very precise. And they've added a silicone balance spring and magnetic resistance that's like 10 times stronger than the usual standard. So yeah, Longines really isn't messing around when it comes to reliability. The case is 39mm, which for me is the perfect size. It's not too big, not too small, just right. They kept a 30-bar water resistance from the 2023 version, so it can handle some serious diving. But it's also very comfortable to wear day to day. The mix of polished and satin brushed finishes gives it a nice balance between sporty and classy, and the domed sapphire crystal on top is a great touch. Oh, and it's anti-reflective too, so you're not getting blinded by reflections. And on the back, there is this cool stamped diver. Just another little nod to the watch's origins. Now, this part's exciting. Longines swapped out the old strap for a brand new stainless steel bracelet with grains of rice links in the center. It looks sleek, but more importantly, it's very comfortable. You could wear this thing all day, no problem. It's got a double safety folding clasp with a push-button release. And get this, you can even adjust it on the fly, thanks to the micro-adjustment feature. It's those small things that make a big difference when you're wearing it. So yeah, overall the Legend Diver is the perfect mix of vintage charm and modern-day tech. It's got that old-school dive watch vibe, but with all the updates you'd expect today. If you ask me, this one's gonna be a future classic. You can grab it in green, terracotta or anthracite gray, and it's priced at 3,200 Swiss francs. If any of this is catching your eye, come check it out at one of our boutiques or hit us up online. Seriously, we're here to help you find your perfect watch. So I gotta ask, do you think the Legend Diver could find a home in your collection? And if so, which color are you leaning towards? Green, terracotta, anthracite gray? It's a tough choice, I know. I would have all three. Maybe you will too. It's up to you. Let me know in the comments. Or better yet, come by one of our boutiques and let's chat over a coffee. I'd love to help you pick the right one. And don't forget, if you want to stay in the loop on all the latest releases and reviews, hit subscribe and click that little bell icon. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you next time.